Alright guys, what's up? My name is Patrick and today we're going to be cleaning the Miata. It's really crappy out. Here, I'll show you. Look at this, 43 degrees. This is supposed to be my summer vacation. What's going on? Look at this. It's ridiculous. So we're going to be cleaning the Miata because I really have nothing else to do. The interior is pretty gross, so I've already found some nasty things, but you guys will see. So let's get to it. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a fry in there, a McDonald's fry, if I'm not mistaken, in my car. That just will not do. There's 2 fries. What is this? Oh, what? No. Along with cleaning the interior, we're gonna have to take these 2 stickers off because I'm not an employee. All right, so for cleaning the interior, what I'm basically going to be doing is taking a microfiber towel and getting it wet just with water, and then basically taking all of the dust off from the interior. And then once all of the dust is off and it's just, it's clean that way, I'm going to go in with some Armor All. We have these wipes, and then I'm going to just kind of clean everything up, make it so it's not gross. Okay, so I finished cleaning with the towel. Now what I'm going to do is basically vacuum, get all the big stuff out before I actually kind of start cleaning it up. So essentially, we have an actual like shop vacuum, which is pretty cool. My dad's a little bit nuts about keeping cars clean, so comes with some perks. So I'm gonna vacuum this out and clean everything up. Try to get the fries out, man. That's gross. I got the fry. Ugh. Alright, so just finished vacuuming it. There was a lot of gross stuff in there. There was so much hair. And also, I found, to go along with that first fry, found 3 more. Got 1, 2, and 3. That is gross. It's absolutely gross. So, it makes me feel better that there's not a bunch of fries in my car now. So this is basically the wipes that I'm going to be using. I don't really need the cleanest interior in the world, so these should do the trick. Should kind of polish it up, make it look a little bit better, but I'm not gonna spend hours doing this because I do have a life. Just kidding, no I don't. So while all of the interior cleaner is drying, I'm going to attempt to take these stickers off. I'm not sure if they'll come off easily, honestly. But yeah, I have a razor blade and we're gonna try to hopefully get these off. We'll see. Guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I found some gross stuff, and this car it was really gross, and now it's just a little bit less gross. So today was definitely a successful day. Thank you guys very much for watching, and see you guys later.